What's going on, guys? Aaron Goldsten here. In this video, we're going to go over how an Amazon dropshipping business works. How the business works, why this is different than other businesses, and kind of the inner workings of the business. So if you're looking to either make money online, make money on Amazon, or if you're interested in starting an Amazon dropshipping business, at the end of this video, you'll really have a big picture overview of how this business works so you can make an informed decision if this is something you want to pursue, if this is something you want to get involved in. So before we go over how it works, I want to go over why this is different than a traditional business. Oh, and you guys know, these are my sales on Amazon. You see sales so far today. I do over $1 million a year on Amazon. I make over $100,000 a year in profit drop shipping on Amazon. So, I know what I'm talking about when it comes to this. Let's look at a traditional business. Let's say you want to open up a traditional business. So maybe you go and you say, you know what? I'm going to find a place to open up a business. And you look at some place and say, you know what? There's this great location on this strip mall, 5-10 minutes from my house. I'm going to open up a little store there. And what I'm going to do on this little store is I'm going to sell stuff for the house. I'm going to sell stuff for the house, and it's going to be great. And people are going to come to my store and they're going to buy my products, and they're going to use it for their house, and everything's going to be great. So you go to the strip mall and you find an open spot and you have to go get a lease. And the lease is going to cost money. I actually tried to start a restaurant about 10 years ago, maybe closer to 8 years ago. And this is what I had to do. I went and got a spot. They wanted first and last month's rent and a big security deposit. I think it was like $5 or $8 a month, and then the security deposit was a lot of money. And I think it was like 15 grand security deposit. So if you do that, that's what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to shell out a lot of money up front to get the space rented. Then you're gonna have to get the space decorated. You ever notice when you go into different stores, there's different vibes, different feelings? Walmart has got a certain feeling. You go into a fancy watch place, that's got a certain feeling. You go into Kohl's, that's got a certain feeling. You'll walk into different stores in the mall and they have different atmospheres. So you're going to have to, not only you're going to spend a lot of money on the lease, you're going to have to spend money getting the inside decorated and correct. You're going to have to spend money on insurance. You're going to have to hire employees, and you're going to have to buy products up front, right? When you go to stores, they have products in the store. Those products were generally bought up front. So you say, all right, I'm going to buy all these items for the house. What's something people need for the house? A thing a lot of people use for their house are grills. I'm going to sell some grills. So what you do is you find what's called a wholesaler, or maybe the manufacturer. You find someone that sells grills in large amounts to businesses like you that you are going to sell to regular people or customers or consumers. So you contact this company and you say, hey, I want to buy a bunch of grills from you because I want to sell grills in my store. The company's going to say, great. The grills we got this basic grill set. It's $100 a piece. We recommend selling it for $150. And the minimum order quantity, MOQ, is 50. You got to order 50 of these at once from us. That's how it works. You don't order one at a time. You got to order 50 of them at once. So not only did you have to spend money on all those other things, now you're going to have to spend whatever it is, thousands of dollars to order grills. You're going to give them the money. It's going to take some time. All the grills are going to be shipped to you. Then you're going to have to get the grills, set them up in your shop, and now you're going to cross your fingers, you're going to cross your toes, and you're going to hope that people are interested in your grills. You're going to hope that people come in and buy your grills. You're going to hope that you sell enough of the grills to at least break even or make profit. What happens if you sell half the grills and then all of a sudden, maybe the seasons change and then you got all these grills sitting around. So one of the main problems with traditional businesses is it costs a lot of money to get started up front, as you could tell. It costs a lot of money because you're going to get the space and the employees and the insurance. You're going to pay for decoration. You got to buy all the products up front. And then it can be very risky because you're going to hope that all these products are going to sell. You're going to hope that they're going to sell. Amazon dropshipping is a little bit different. How Amazon dropshipping works is the big benefit to Amazon dropshippers is we don't buy the product till the customer gives us money. So essentially, it's impossible to lose money. Most people are nervous about starting a business, about losing money. It's almost impossible to lose money dropshipping. Why? Because you sell the grill on Amazon for $200. Once the customer has bought the item from you, has bought that grill for $200, then and only then you go to your supplier and you buy the grill for, let's say, $150, and then you ship it directly to the customer. You don't have to buy the product up front. You don't have to worry about warehousing fees. You don't have to worry about employees breaking the item or stealing the item or anything like that. It's a lot. That's one of the big benefits of it. You never buy a product up front till the customer buys the item from you on Amazon and pays you for it. And the other benefit about Amazon is Amazon seller account, which is basically $40 a month. It's like $39.99 a month. We're going to say it's $40 a month. It's $40 a month, and you can list as many products as you want with zero listing fee. eBay, they charge you a listing fee. Amazon, zero listing fee. So my store has got over 7,000, I want to say it's 7,600 products now listed. Every time we list an item on my store, it's free to do so because I just pay the $40 a month. There's no listing fee. So what's nice is I could have 7,600 products. Let's say that a few hundred of them are popular and sell all the time. And let's say like a grill, for example, I sell a grill once every 4 months. Well, even though that grill sells once every 4 months, it's not a big seller, it doesn't cost me anything to have it on my store. So why would I not have it? It's on my store, and once every 4 months when someone buys it, I'll then buy it, I'll drop ship it directly to the customer, and I make money. Big benefit with drop shipping. The risk of losing money is substantially lower. Now, there are cons to drop shipping. There are cons to drop shipping. There are pros and cons to any business, but that is essentially how the business model works. You're going to list a whole bunch of products on your Amazon store. You're going to list a bunch of products. It's only once a customer buys your product from you. They bought it from you on Amazon. Amazon said, congratulations, you've made a sale. It's verified. You got the item. Then and only then you take money, you go buy the product from your supplier, and you ship it directly to the customer. And the way you make a bunch of money is you just do that a whole bunch of times in a day. I think you guys saw on my the screenshot of my store, we sold 105 units. That's what the 105 units. That's that middle number right there. 105 units was just sold. So the way you make money is you just scale it up. You can keep listing more products, and it's like the risk is like it's not, in a traditional business, let's say you get a first store doing good, you have to go get a second store if you want to expand. You're going to have all the same problems, money up front. What if the location you pick for the second store isn't good? All sorts of issues. The Amazon business, just list more products on your store. You can list as many products as you want. You can list tens of thousands of products if you want, and it's all free because you have the $40 a month plan with Amazon. So that's basically how the Amazon dropshipping business model works in a nutshell. You find products from suppliers, basically different websites or companies. You find them on the website, you list them on your Amazon store for more. Once someone buys that product from your Amazon store, you buy it for less from your supplier or the website, the company you're using, and you have them ship it directly to the customer. The customer's happy because they got exactly what they ordered. Amazon's happy because Amazon makes a commission and they want to have good customer satisfaction. Amazon's happy because they got their commission and they have customers, and you're happy because you made a little bit of money without having to store any products, buy any products up front, get a warehouse to store the products, get a retail space to sell the products. That's kind of how it works. My name is Aaron Goldsten, and that concludes this video.